The Beijing National Stadium, famously known as the Bird's Nest, was constructed for the 2008 Summer Olympics. Designed by architects Herzog and Demuren, this iconic structure features a unique steel lattice design, symbolizing unity and flexibility. The construction began in 2003, with workers facing harsh winters and demanding timelines. Featuring a seating capacity of 91,000, the Bird's Nest was created to showcase China's architectural prowess and commitment to innovation. Today it serves as a multifunctional venue, symbolizing China's rise on the global stage, blending tradition with modern engineering in an unforgettable spectacle.